Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ17o's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ17o. Now today guys, I'm going to be teaching you the best and most useful websites to be able to get games up to 99% off. Now all four of these websites I have used inside the past and I've had good memories with. One of them, there's been one time where I did get scammed, and I'll be getting into details of that when I get to that website later on, because that one you do have to be careful with, and it will be the very last website inside of this video. Now, I'm going to say this right now, and I'm going to say it again throughout this video. The best website throughout here, in my personal opinion, would have to be Humble Bundle. I've been banned from G2A more times than I can actually count. So, yeah, I don't really care for G2A. I had to make a whole new PayPal and a whole new account to be able to keep using their service, which was really annoying. But anyways, let me get into the important information. I forgot to take the time when recording this video to be able to say this, so I have to say it now. When buying any type of code from this website or account from any of the websites, guys, make sure it is for your country. When you guys look at it, for example, on G2A, let's say if I'm going on there to buy Grand Theft Auto 5, it will say global key, row key, UK key, RU key. For example, for me, either it has to say North America or global. For you guys, let's say if you live in the UK, it would have to say either UK or global. For example, let's say if one of you guys lived in Russia, it would have to say RU or global. Remember that is extremely, extremely important. And the other extremely important part, I cannot stress this enough for G2A, once you guys click on a game you want, scroll down and look at the other people selling the game. Look at the cheapest one, look at their reviews, and make sure they have a good amount of copies sold. I don't recommend buying from anyone that has below 1,000 game sales. I mean, if you guys want to go for the gamble and try it, go right ahead, because with G2A they have a support team and you can contact to get your money back in case you do get scammed. Plati is similar. You're going to do the same exact thing, but with Plati, it's not as popular as G2A, so you just have to go for the gamble and try it. So anyways, sorry for taking so long inside this intro, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and support the 170, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm clearly on my iPhone. And guys, I highly recommend skipping to 1 minute and 15 seconds into this video, because I did say some really important information regarding these websites I failed to say when I didn't record the correct amount of time I needed to when recording this video. So again, I highly recommend fast forwarding to 1 minute and 15, because there is really important information about these websites when buying from it, so you guys don't get scammed. So anyways, this website right here is G2A. Now, for example, let's say if I wanted to buy Warhammer Vermintide 2, which is, this game got released on March 8th. I actually own this game on my computer, and it is the gameplay in the beginning of this video. As you can see, it's $25.91. As you guys can see, I scrolled down and I started looking at other sellers. And as you guys can see, next to that little shopping cart icon to the right of it, there's numbers. Those numbers are how many times that person has sold a copy. If you guys are on a computer, you can hover over it and it'll tell you how many good reviews they have. Now, here is Fanatical Gamer. This one used to be called Bundle Stars. For example, I'm just going to look at GTA 5 on here. This is the only website that has GTA 5 for sale constantly. Humble Bundle and G2A have it on sale in the past due to just temporarily sales. So if you guys are looking for games, I recommend looking at this one too. This one is focused on computer only, while G2A is for Xbox, PlayStation, and computer. So this is another one you guys want to look at if you're looking for gaming on the computer. As you can see when I scroll down, there's other games. They even have Vermintide 2 cheaper than what G2A has it for sale as. So yeah, I like this website right here. Now the next one is Humble Bundle. This is my personal favorite. I'm actually paying the $12 a month for their monthly subscription. Now this one, either about 5% or 10%, I can't remember what it is, of all of your purchases go straight to charity, which is really, really cool. I love how they did that. So if I go ahead and scroll down, If for example, I click on something like the monthly thing, this is what I'm subscribed to, you get either anywhere from 8 all the way to 12 games for free. And it's a really good deal because most of the time if you were to buy the games completely stock, it would probably be over $200. And I mean, each month has either 1 to 3 games in there that are actually fairly good. So in my opinion, I think the $12 is well worth it. Along with the $12 that you're paying, you're also getting a bonus 10% discount on everything inside of the store. So for example, let's say if there's something for sale that's 60% off, well, with your extra 10%, it'd go to 70% off. Let's say there's something that's 90% off, well, it would go to 99% off, and you'd basically just be paying $1 or some odd cents. So they also do a thing of daily sales. As you guys can see, it could say how many hours and days are left on the sale before I clicked on it. And after it's over, the next day they will do a different one. So as you see, I could buy GTA in here for like $25. And then I can add a 10% bonus discount to there to get it even more % off. But I am currently not logged into my account, so you guys aren't going to see that extra percentage off. Sometimes when using that 10% bonus, it's also a 6% bonus off, which is kind of weird. But yeah, Humble Bundle's really cool because with their bundles, you can even pay $1 to charity and get like 5 games with it. But yeah, here's this one. This one's called To Plati. You guys want to be careful when buying from this one because I have lost money on this website before, but I've also gotten games extremely cheap. So for example, let's say if we wanted to buy PUBG, I can hit that button and go to Steam key, and then here are all the prices and then the sales for PUBG right here, guys. So for example, if I scroll back up, I click this and go to Xbox key. As you guys can see, I could buy it for the Xbox One for $24, $23, and the prices go up and down all over the place. Now, another thing that this website can do is, for example, let's say if I type in GTA Xbox, you can actually purchase people's accounts on here. So for example, if my account wasn't banned, I could go and I could actually sell an account for 20 bucks that has over 300 games purchased onto it, which is actually how many games I did purchase on my 360 over the course of 3 years. So for example, right here, this is $8. It comes with GTA and about 50 some odd games. You could scroll down and see the list of games. But the only thing is, with this website, when you're buying an account for the PS3 or the Xbox, you guys want to make sure it has 0 purchases. Because if it has multiple purchases on it, guys, you have to remember that there's license transferring every so many months on the Xbox. And on the PlayStation 3, you can only link your account to up to 2 PlayStation 3s at a time. So be extremely careful when buying from this website. Always look at the reviews of something before you buy it, and then if it's an account that you're buying, make sure it has 0 purchases. That's the best tips I can give for buying from this website right here. Be extremely careful from this one, guys, but it can have a really good payoff if you're still on a 360 or PS3. Otherwise, I don't really know about Steam keys or anything. I've never bought a key from here. I've only bought the accounts. But yeah, these were all 4 of the best websites to use. That's basically just about it for this video, guys. This is AJ17o signing out.